Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will implement HTML and CSS in Qt framework. So I will create a new project and I will press this new button and then I will select Qt widgets application, and after it I will press choose button, and next I have to declare a name for this project, and name is HTML. You can use any name, but I am using HTML, and here you have some options like QMake, CMake and QBS. I will work with QMake, and then next this is our class information like class name, base class, header file and other. And next window is about translation file. If you want to translate your any file into other language, so you can change here language, but I will keep it as it is. And so next I have to choose a kit. This is a list of some kits. I will choose this desktop Qt min GW 64-bit. You can choose any kit from this given list, and then I will press next and finish. So this is our program project, and we are inside our project, and this is our main function. Okay, and here I will implement our HTML. So I will remove this main window.h file because I will remove this by default window. So I will include here a QLabel widget with sharp include, and our widget name is QLabel because I will use a label widget in this project. And now I will remove these statements that relate to main window.h file, and next I will include here our label widget. So I will create a pointer for QLabel, and here I will use pointer label. Okay, I will choose name label. You can use any name instead of label. And now I will create object with new keyword QLabel. Okay, and now I will set a label. You can use any name or any string. I will use hello world. So I will use double pair of comma, and here I will type string hello world. This is a simple string that I will show you in output, and after it I used semicolon. So I will build it and I will show you this hello world. That is a single string, simple string. So I will use here label and arrow, and then I will call show function and then semicolon. So now I will run this project, and then I press this run button, and now I will wait for some time until completing this build process, and it is not a long wait, and after some time we can see this output. So this is our output that is in our user interface window, and here you can see this is a simple string that is hello world, and this is a simple string. And now I will display this string by using HTML code. So I will remove this hello world, and then I will implement HTML code and CSS in this label parenthesis. So here this is our starting tag for P. I will use paragraph. You can use header. So for this you will use H1, H2 or H3, and I am using paragraph, and this is our P tag. This is our starting tag, and other is our closing tag with slash. Okay, and I will type our code or string between these tags, between starting tag and closing tag, and here I will type hello world again, and then I will run again this project, and after some time we can see our output, that is hello world paragraph, because we use paragraph tag. So here you can see this is our output of hello world. That is like a simple string, but this is not a simple string. This is content of HTML. So I will apply some styles and color on this hello world, that is content of P tag. So I will close this window, and next I will apply our CSS code that is used for cascading style sheet. And now I will include or implement here our style attribute that is used to implement CSS. So I will apply CSS style on this hello world content. Now I have two options for commas. I can use double pair of comma in start of CSS code and a double pair of comma in last of our CSS code. And other option is I can use single comma in start and single comma in last. So I will use this single comma. This is easy and simple, but you cannot use a double comma in start of CSS code and last of CSS code, because I have used this double comma in start of HTML code. If you used a single comma in start of HTML and last of HTML, then you can use in start of CSS and last of CSS. So I am using here color property, and here I used yellow color. You can use any other color like blue, yellow, green, and other. So here I used this yellow color, and color is our property. So here I used semicolon. It means here our statement is finishing. And next our other property is font size, and here I will define size of our font, and I am using 150 pixels. And in last I will use again single comma. So I will run this project again, and so I pressed this run button, and after a small wait you can see here our output hello world, and you can see that the size is increased and also color is changed, but it is sharp color, so I will replace it with green color. So I will run this project again, and now you can see our output. So this is our output hello world. This color is green and size of font is 150 pixel. So this was because of applying our HTML code and CSS styles. I hope you got it easily, and you liked this video. If you liked this video, please share with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel.